In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC's address in Minnesota. Read the Minnesota requirements. Go to the Minnesota Secretary of State Office website to understand the full process for updating your LLC's address. Select the current form. Use the Amendment of Articles of Organization form or Change of Registered Office or Agent form, depending on the type of address change you are having for your LLC. Complete the full form. Provide your LLC's legal name, current address, updated address and any other details. Make sure all the details are awfully and carefully corrected, so make sure to avoid any other delays. Check the filing fee. Review the Minnesota Secretary of State fee on their website. Schedule and prepare the fee. File the form. Submit the form online via the Minnesota Business Portal or mail it into the Secretary of State office. Update other records. Once you are approved, update your LLC's address with the IRS, the bank, licensing board and any other business partners to remain compliant. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.